my God, look at here. We've got the original cell phone. Yes, the original cell phone. You always found these in the jailhouse next to the cells so the prisoners could make their one call. That's why we call it a cell phone. Or deposit your coins. Dial 00 for the operator, 50 cents for local calls. There's also pay-as-you-go phone. Yes, pay-as-you-go phone. All you have to do is pick up, dial the number, and wait for someone to answer. Yeah. Deposit your money. And dial the area code. Again, the original cell phone. Just drop your money in. It's got it. You got the dial tone. Yes, I want to order a pizza. Have it delivered to the jail. Yeah. Cell number 3745. Yeah. I'm calling from my cell phone. Yes, I am. Get that pizza over here as soon as you can and don't let the local boys in blue take it from me. Whoops. I got blue on. Aha. I'll take it from you. Just give it to Billy Bob. Alrighty, thank you. Once again, Alltel. Even changed back. Oh my goodness. Alltel. Name of the company. And the reason they call it Alltel, because they gave your files to the federal government and they told all. Yeah. Thanks again for viewing the original cell phone. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Thank you.